We'll guide you through how to fix stick drift on your PS5 controller. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing and also leaving a like. So the methods in this guide are going to avoid opening the controller up. Now the first thing I like to do is just go and perform a reset on the controller because it may be like a software based problem and not actually hardware based. So to go and reset it, what we need to do is go onto the back of your controller, and just to the right of Sony, you can see that little dot there, and that is a reset button. To get to that, you're going to need a sort of a small object, for example, a paperclip or a pin. So I use a paperclip, which is this here. And then all you need to do is flip your controller around, and you can then grab the pin or paperclip, and you can just go and push it in and push on the button for 3 to 5 seconds, and it will then go and reset your controller. I'll then stop. And then what we need to do is go and resync it to our console. So to do that, you'll need to go and grab its charging cable. So of course, plug one end into your controller like this into the charging port, and then you plug the other end into your console. Your controller will glow orange, and you can then hold the PlayStation button on your controller like this. Your controller should now be resynced to your PlayStation. So now what we can do is go and see if we're still getting stick drift in games and things like that. And if you are, then let's get into some methods. What you need to do is go and turn off your PS5 and then grab your remote. It's good to turn off your PS5 because otherwise you'll be clicking things on it. And so for the first fix, what you want to do is get both your joysticks and start rotating them. So just go and push them around like this. We'll start doing it clockwise and do it just for like 5 times at least, but as many times as possible, just to make sure we're clearing any debris. And then go and do it anti-clockwise, so we'll then go and push them around this time. And once again, do it for sort of 5 times, if not more, just like this. And then what you want to do is just go and click them. And when you click them down, you can also do some rotations as well. Just do sort of 3 to 5 once again. And what you can also do is go and push the joystick to one side, and then in that gap there, you can either blow or use some compressed air just to clear any debris that could be in there, causing the stick drift. So try that. Once you've tried that, try turning on your PS5 again to go and see if you've gone and resolved the problem. Now you can go and get into a game and go and test your controller, and hopefully it's gone and resolved your problem. If it has, please go down below and leave a like.